it's a good time for...
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God! Can you believe that?
Can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you say, poop, what Jesus? Then anything really can go so. Man divorced his wife for not being a virgin. Man divorced his wife for not being a virgin. This is in Paris, and I suspect it's going to be something related to Islam again, and because there are a lot of Muslims living in Paris, in France. You know, France was a colonial power, and they colonized places like Algeria and so forth, and a lot of French-speaking Muslims are there as a consequence in this modern era. Here we go. France's Justice Minister Rashida Dati has formally asked the Public Prosecutor's Office to appeal against a court ruling which annulled the union of two Muslims because the wife had lied about being a virgin. Heated debate over French marriage laws erupted after the national press reported on the verdict, which was handed down by a court in the northern French city of Lille in April. Politicians, feminists, and human rights activists have denounced the court's ruling as an affront to the legal equality of men and women and a violation of a woman's privacy. Dati has lodged a request for the Public Prosecutor's Office to file an appeal against the court's judgment, the ministry said in a statement. The husband's lawyer has denied that religion had anything to do with the verdict. The ruling hinged on a legal article saying an annulment could be sought if there was an error concerning essential qualities of one of the spouses. So I can put it in a patois. In the Muslim culture, there's this whole thing on making sure you're married a virgin. Right? So this man asked this woman if she's a virgin. The woman tell him, yes, she's a virgin. Because that's him culture require him to marry a virgin. If him don't marry a virgin, he's going to be stigmatized. I'm going to diss him, I'm going to done him. So him say, you're a virgin? Because I don't want to marry her unless you're a virgin. She go tell him lie and say she's a virgin. After them marry now, them find out say she ain't a virgin. So the man say you lie. Because you don't know same family, everybody had this him now. What you going to do? So him go so boom and file for a divorce. And the court say, yeah, boom, divorce get granted. After the court grant the divorce, people are running in, and you hear what going on right just now. Listen, politicians, feminists, and human rights activists have denounced the court's ruling as an affront to the legal equality of men and women and a violation of a woman's privacy. My question now is this really a violation of a woman's privacy, or is it fraud? You understand what I'm saying, Emily? May I ask you? Wait. Put on the microphone.
I wouldn't say violation. We kind of like say shouldn't know all the things that already. Straight up fraud.
No. Me not say me support. Me not say. Me I go advocate. I say, oh, if a man wants a virgin, you know.
Yeah.
What me I say is, she tell him a lie.
Yeah.
And the man he make it clear, say, he's a virgin him want for marry. No so, right? Me not take no side in him. Me just say, him tell her say he's a virgin him want for marry. She knows in the culture is a virgin him for married. She know the ramifications and thing. So she trick him.
Yeah, man.
She lied to him and she trick him. So basically the man I say, yo, me don't want to continue this lie.
Because him going night without starting with a lie. So.
With a lie.
Yeah.
But the man probably say, yo, that marriage is not even going to work. You understand? Bam. Right? The man obviously communicate to her.
Can I take it from a trust perspective?
I can't. Turn on, eh?
May I say you can't look at it from a trust perspective, though?
Hold on, go. Yeah, let go to mine. Yeah.
Check.
Yeah.
May I say you can't look at it from a trust perspective, though? Because you are going to trust her if the one liquor instance that she
no, but it's not little. That's the point. It's not little. It's a big deal. It's not an issue for we here in Jamaica, right?
Well,
you understand? But in a Muslim culture, it's a huge deal. And basically, they want the Muslims to stop. You know, they want Muslims in France for Lego this whole thing that the woman must be a virgin, right? No, but that's a different thing.
Yeah.
If you want to educate people differently. But if a man say, the only reason I can marry you is if you're a virgin. Are you a virgin? And you know say you're a virgin. And you go tell the man say you're a virgin. And then after the man married you know, you're going to say bam, 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 bam. Ain't all right. Ain't all right.
The man want a fresh vegetable.
No. I you know, sometimes I agree with the feminists, them or whatever, and other times we just disagree. I think.
So they must argue, say it's some form of discrimination.
Yeah, they must say they must say it's a discrimination against a woman.
No, sir.
Why you see all when man right and wrong?
No, but that may I tell you, they must say discrimination against women because they may even use the term a violation of a woman's privacy.
What?
Yeah, they must say a woman's privacy, and basically I said the court. The key thing here, you know, is that they say the court's ruling was an affront to the legal equality of men and women. In other words, they don't want to get involved in any culture. Basically, they must say the court, irrespective of what they believe in the culture, the court not supposed to rule upon them things. Then. You understand what I'm saying? They must say the court. It's a cultural issue, a cultural or religious issue then, put it that way there. They must say the court should not get involved with them things.
But we have to remember that marriages are also contractual agreements.
Yeah,
Exactly. So after the hymen done boss, then put it back. Now, clearly the woman is not a virgin.
Yeah.
But the idea is that when they're married and them have sex, what happens when a man take a virginity, it will happen again. But that is still a con against the man.
She lived the lie.
Right. Bro, but the larger issue here, what they're saying is they need to take away these pressures off the woman. Because they must say, if a woman go have sex or whatever, it's like, should we just sit back and just make our life doomed from ever being married?
At the end of the day, them should have bring it so deep because another I said the man go there and say, yo, I want to hold on for be virgin. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The man say, yo, anyone with a virgin come. She should come.
Well,
enough, she eggs up. No ring she want.
No, but what I'm saying is there are people who are listening and say, remember, you know, the double standard is, you know, if the woman don't get married in her life, do me, no?
Yeah.
That is, no.
So the pressure they on her,
no, if the woman don't get married,
the pressure
she is subjected to all kinds of discrimination and bad treatment and whatever.
Yeah.
If she not married, she's of no value.
Outcast.
Yeah, she's of no value. So she have to get married. So she's in a position now. Wonderful woman, she not wicked, she obey the laws and whatever. Should she just like live and not get no value?
There's a perfectly good resolution for that.
What?
Tell those women to come to Jamaica. Now watch no face.
Come back to Jamaica.
Yes, pack up a plane load.
We love virgins here. But if you are not one, we still will not care.
Just chip in with a bob after that. One love.
Let's get together whether you're virgin or not. No, but it just, hey, we love them. Can you believe it, Taylor? Because enough time with they answer, boy, hard life, I reach and this and that, and rate it. And you see where some woman I go through over, and because that rough man, same thing same thing in the Asian cultures. If them don't find a man by them at 30, them life done. That's why that woman there, she symbolically says she married herself. You remember that? Can you believe that?
Yeah.
So she married herself, and she have wedding, and she was the bride, and she was the groom. And she said, what she says, she want a woman to love themselves, whether or not they married or not. So, when people believe, so when I really understand what I go on the woman's side. But I just say, with respect to the court's ruling in this instance, I think that they should not fault the court. The court is simply working from the basis that you entered into a contract based on a certain amount of agreement, certain principles, certain the contract was constructed and agreed upon based on certain principles. and that the woman did in fact breach those principles. And as such, the contract becomes null and void. That's all the court is saying. The court no business with religion or whatever.
Yeah.
But them make it look like so the court that follow religion or whatever. You understand?
Yeah.
And them things that them a struggle with.
Make it was the other way around, no?
See it then. Anyway, people, that's how the Mixup said that was.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
Let me tell you something.
Oh my God, do you believe that?
I mix up and blend that time.
I'm want to call and talk up the things them.
All right, people. Don't go to the phone line yet. Don't go to the phone line for the next hour. For the last day, the last show for the year. So we're going to play back some of the call them where, you know, where we feel they'd go on with a little something for the next hour. You know, there's a little show back and then we're going to open the phone line about 3:30. You see. Okay. Some of us want to kick back and just listen back some of them call here. Where it go on, we look at something, all right? Rings!
I mix up and blend that time.
Yeah, I'm done with him for water.
But you just want to still have the baby for done the girl?
Yes.
Okay.
And the reason I'm done with him, because I see the boy out there to get a bit of see him rag.
In what?
I'm going to be able to see him red rag.
Well, the boy have you and the girl a beard with the same red rag?
Yes.
Well, no, see another road. We'll take a break and come back. Poor Jesus. Then you come here, you see the girl red. Well, we soon. Tambourine, we soon forward.
I mix up and blend that time.
Yeah, Makala, what may I say is, what you say about the rag now? What you say about the rag?
Like my daddy, you know, my friend of mine was going to go and say, I want to see man, them friend of that time, man.
Well, talking iPhone, yeah? Eh?
But I'm also on there, so she called me. So my friend him said, man, you got to be the same rag, you know. So I turned to her and said, my girl, you have a rag bang the boy, oh, she said, no. The boy, the girl, want rag to be. So I said, what kind of rag you give? She said, one red rag. So I said, one red short rag? She said, yes.
One red what?
One red short rag? She said, yes.
No, one red what?
One red short rag?
Short rag, yeah,
Yeah, she said yes.
So
I said, where you sleeping? Because I know I'm sleeping on one jersey shirt, so I'm going to go down the one red one and orange one. She said, sleeping on the orange one. So I said, that means I get a red shirt and sleeping.
Wait, you say what?
Because that means I get a red shirt to sleeping. She said, no, the orange one. So I said, say you're idiot, you're dusty, but because I'm the man to you there, and the man are dusty, man. Because the same way I'm have a beard with that, it's my gift beard with.
Okay, so when you go there, you get the red jersey top. And when she go, she get
the orange one. I get it one I'm sleeping on, but I the orange one she gets.
Okay, so when you there, you get the red one and the orange one for sleeping. You sleeping at either one.
Yeah.
And when she go there, she get the orange one for sleeping.
Yeah.
And when you go there, you get the red rag for beard with.
Yeah.
And she get the red rag for beard with too.
Yes. But Raga, she called the guy, asked the guy about the red rag. You see? The guy tell him, say, I know for them have around beard with. I don't eat the beard. I say I eat that because you see, I want red rag him have there, and I when we go him never camera and I rag when carry work and you must beard with.
And the rag, so wait, hold on. Him I use the rag too?
No man, you used to use rag as a face rag. But me go never have a rag to beard with.
Well, I stop that. The red rag we are talking about, him used to use it as a face rag. Hey, people there on the ground in the street that Germany root head back nearly lick up on. Well, the rag when you gave a beard was him face rag.
Yeah.
And then him give you for start beard with it.
Yeah.
And then him give she for beard with too.
Yeah.
I mix up and blend that time.
Raga.
Yeah.
This is the girl with the next side of story about the red rag.
Me say we did not try reach you yesterday, baby. We did not try reach you yesterday.
I know that try reach me, but you couldn't get me. You couldn't get me because I did busy. But I hear about it, I come for Angler.
Me say we want your side. Talk up the things I'm going to hear your side of the story. Yeah.
And me and him there for how much years. And the girl, I be a scrape outside and I be a sideline position she take. Rather, she talk about me and I be the same, I got lie, she tell she be do it after me.
Well on, who first beard with the red rag?
Me first beard with the red rag, Raga.
Voila, how you know you first beard with the red rag?
Because when me take it out, it did seal up.
Ah, what
It did seal up in them jar, so me take it out.
So, seal up, what you mean seal up?
Right. Me get it seal, me get it seal. When me get the raga, no ear no pass through the rag there, yeah.
No, well, what me I said though is that usually when rag sell it, not selling and not seal.
No man, that wanna come seal in a basket and everything get it as a gift.
Oh.
Me, yes, Raga, and me first, and me. The girl that sideline scraper. I be a she scraper. Raga, my ear up and read I talk about say, oh, me dirty.
Uh-huh.
Raga.
Yeah.
She talk about me dirty. She frowns in like my dog when I'm polishing. Enough to do it.
Okay.
She enough to do it, Raga. She talk about how much she... Raga, can you imagine this? You carry a baby in your belly.
Mm-hmm.
I have to tell the world, so yeah, dash. Raga, you know, so she dirty.
Okay.
Raga, what kind of girl that? I hope she listen to me. Number one, him don't want her. Him don't want her.
No, but she said she left him for you because...
I like she tell Raga, Raga, right now I'm mad. Right, I'm sending one text last night. Say, you never know say you have something good till it gone. And if you want the girl, Raga, he would have sent she the text. And I me get it. So she for go away.
I mix up and blend that time.
Raga, me have a piece of mix up to you. I'm to tell you, Raga. You know what I want to get your program, Raga?
Talk up to me.
I'm baby father for you by 11 years, Ragashanti. Me go catch one of girl that is my best friend with her in her house Sunday, Raga.
Well, say it again, what?
Raga, me say, me baby father for 11 years, Raga, house and me and him struggle to go bill. Me go see what I have to say, my best friend in there with him Sunday, Raga.
Sunday gone, you catch your... You have a baby father, you and him there for 11 years.
Yes, Raga.
And you have a best friend. And Sunday gone, you go catch your best friend with your baby father.
Yes, Raga.
Well,
Catch him, Raga.
How you catch him? Because we want to be sure you catch what you say you catch.
I'm to tell you, from March, me say man already, but show me I work, Raga, me work hard. So me hear about you, Raga, me say, you know what? Me now left my work to go catch them, you know.
Yeah.
Me now left my work. I took to feel alone.
Yeah.
But Raga, you know, where should I make me have to go Sunday now?
What?
See me look up at me, I come in from school, me 11-year-old daughter, Raga. I'm going to sing for her wife to walk out and me to stand up.
Well,
Raga.
I want the back side.
Raga, me 11-year-old, Mr.
Hold on, wait, say what? Tell me what you just say again. Tell me again.
See me little 11-year-old daughter, Raga, and a single wife to walk out and me to stand up, Raga.
I want the back side. That you said to your 11-year-old daughter.
11-year-old daughter.
So what you do now?
Raga, so me not say nothing. Me just hear and listen. So Sunday now, without me a pen. I want me down me a pen because I'm not climbing down here. Somebody call me, because I burn somebody when you hear she sings after my daughter, you know.
Oh, God. Your 11-year-old daughter, what a girl.
Like, just ready for Jesus, just imagine.
Hey.
And if somebody tell me, I say, all right, me come pick you up if I think I'm here. Just don't tell somebody to over my yard, him I go. And when he go over there, pick them can't go over there. But my daughter want a little boy. And I say, all right. Me I go see if I shoot now.
Oh, when she over there, then him not bring the picking them over there?
No, picking them up to stay over my mother yard.
Oh, Lord, yeah, man. Yeah, go and talk to me. I know. So somebody said they will come pick you up and carry you.
Yes, somebody pick me up, Raga, and carry me.
Yeah.
And somebody tell me, say, oh, jump me, Raga. I yard. Me say, no, because I don't want him to see you, because I don't let me singing bird. Because somebody say, I'm afraid, because I upset the person.
Why you say you don't want to let you singing bird?
Right.
Your bird, we are telling, we are making you know what going. You don't want him to know who are telling you the things. Well, that is a man that carry you?
Yes, Raga.
That man don't like you like that?
No, Raga. I'm a friend, Raga, because I told you when the girl leave, Raga.
Oh.
couldn't believe that. That's why he can't bear it.
All right, then. All right. Can conscience yes, that ride him?
Conscience I ride him, Raga. Can you say that affect my daughter because I paid cry my daughter cry?
See,
and nobody can't find out what happened to her.
To your 11-year-old daughter, the old nasty this gone. But wife, you walk out and mate this stuff. Go on, so
Raga,
that... Yeah.
So I make him let me have to one coach, Raga. Me one of my cousin, Raga.
Yeah.
And I take his bush in a mud and water, Raga. Barefoot, me have to take off my slippers, Raga.
Jesus.
I on the barefoot, Raga. When me go, Raga. Me knock on my door, Raga. When me knock on my door.
You own a door?
Me own a door, Raga.
Yeah.
Me knock on it, me go lock on it, Raga.
Your door lock?
Yes, him and the pan. Chema. Oh, no call on him. In the pan, check. So me no answer, Raga.
In the pan, what?
Check. Him a call one name, but two me no want call on him on the program.
All right, just use root.
Yes, he said, Ruth.
Ruth.
You know, I said, but the door not open. Me say like my people over top cause a glass top door.
Well, this is after your knock.
Yes, Raga.
Okay.
Cause a glass top door.
Yeah.
But I fly through the kitchen cause the kitchen door open, Raga.
Yeah.
And when me fly through the kitchen door, me kick the back door and it fly, Raga. So me fly in there, Raga.
Yeah.
And him that and the one in the Raga.
I do what?
You know the position, Raga. Don't ask with me expensive lotion I rub down.
With what?
With me amber mystic lotion I rub down.
With what kind of lotion?
Lotion named Amber Mystic.
You have a lotion named Amber Mystic.
Right.
And them I use your Amber Mystic lotion and rub the dirty.
Lotion, Raga.
Jesus have mercy. That means that you rub up with your Amber Mystic lotion.
Me heart full, Raga.
Hold on. What me not understand? When you did a knock, so them never hear the knock then?
They hear the knock, but them I think I want to pick me, so now pull the door so you pick them a peep over.
Oh.
To them.
Oh.
Anxiety when me in and out, me can't wait, Raga.
You just take it on the back page.
Me just take it on the back
Go
page,
to the
Raga,
kitchen.
And kick it door
and kick it over up now flying and there. Who did I rub on the Amber Mystic for who?
If a girl I rub it on me baby father, Raga, and I force stand up, and you know the stuff. Ready now to go start out, Raga.
Okay, so she you can't code up the thing, but she did in the undergarments or something.
Yes, Raga, just want to say white something on, Raga.
Okay, so she did pretty much naked then.
Yes, Raga.
So wait, it look like them did a rub on the lotion before.
Yes, sure. You know the movement to go start.
Oh, but why would you lotion before you do it? That's so like.
I don't know because a man can just come in and bathe and a bathe, you know. He can just come in and bathe and go in the house, you know. And she call because he must tell me everything because I'm mad time too, you know.
Okay. So so one of them things, some of them they love bathe and fresh up first before they do the thing.
Right, Raga.
And thing. But the lotion they kind of slip. But go on talk.
So, Raga, when me rush in and I say my lotion, the girl jump and bend down to one barrel let me have in a house down in a Raga.
Jesus God, you mean to tell me so the girl hide back on the barrel?
Yes.
I want it on the tambourine. Some girl hide back on the barrel. Go on talk.
Two and them up in a ear, Raga. Within two and them up in a ear.
You mean fear two and up in a ear?
Yes, Raga. And the man over Raga, I just give a kick. I want to give me a kick. I say, you say you're long distance stola, show me stola. So you're long distance stola. I grab something I just want to grab my baby here. I'll buckle me grab her when I come to rule him in the face. I say, why if you walk out and make it stand up? Stand up.
So weird. Them time that she never got the barrel and you just give it to her, no?
Raga, give it to her.
So weird. Hold on. When you connect with the kick first, how you kick it, her?
And that belly, the Raga, because she don't me kick her towards her belly.
Yeah.
I want she get it.
And which buckle you say you pick up after now?
The baby ear buckle.
The baby ear buckle, and you say, oh, you're long distance taller.
No, me give her the kick, me say, yes, you're long distance taller. And when the gear ear buckle, Raga, me say, why if you walk out and make it stand up?
Stand up now, no?
Yes,
stand up now, girl.
Stand up.
And this is your best friend. And this is your best friend where I take your man.
Mr. Raga, girl, let me cream her ear and beg her if she can wash her neck and something. Me and my baby father sit down and chat her, Raga. How she cranny, Raga.
You and your baby father sit down and chat her, she cranny and a she ma take.
And a she, my baby father, go take up, Raga.
Oh, God.
I mix up and blend that time.
Bam Sonic's call her out to leave it. I am the boss.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Yes, what's up, bro?
Why am I there, you know?
How you doing, bro?
No, don't start the foolishness.
Yeah, man. I listen to the program and big up the program, right?
Yeah.
But big up the program, you know, so right now, Christmas now, and me lonely, I'm going to try to find a nice one route available.
If route available?
Yeah.
You never talk to her on the phone when she answer?
She?
Then she answer the phone?
She trick me, man.
She trick you?
Yeah.
Why? What she tell you, sir?
Her voice, man.
Her voice. They never hear our sexy voice everybody love.
How I say?
Ruth, that did answer phone. Ruth, the man wants to know if you're available. Ruth, are you available?
What shall I say?
She give you the ambiguous thing the woman give you, know. It's neither yes nor a no. Hey, you see, any woman who answer you them way then, them will rob you.
Oh,
that woman that will rob you.
Then.
No, any woman who when you ask them not give a yes or a no, You see, if you run in, them never tell you for run in. And if you don't run in, well, she never did say no.
You have no.
Yeah.
Me there lonely and I want to find one nice woman. I hope a nice woman there in Jamaica. I can't go a party go look woman and I have a number. I want to find one nice girl.
Wait, why you can't go party go look woman?
Sure, you man, them love big drinks all type of thing and when they do it, them now want to come.
No, but what is wrong with that? If you buy a lady a drink, you know, why they
I
have
buy
a
drink. But then me want to find somebody nice, man.
No, what I'm saying, there's a difference, right? If you buy a woman a drink as a gesture, that, you know, that whatever, as opposed to if she says she wants a crate.
Yeah,
yeah, that's a different thing. You see the crate girl left now, you know, you're not nothing with them. Never rob you blind. Right, and if she come and say she wants a big bottle of Hennessy, you lower her because she's a thief. You understand?
Yeah,
well, unless they like when a father fall big dance them or son, then it's quite common for you buy a bottle of Hennessy, you understand? Because of Hennessy them saying are them big thing there. You understand? Yeah, but in general... No, but nothing wrong if you buy a woman. Are you trying to tell me that you can't take the woman them out there because them beggy and just always want to take something out for you in general? Like that you say, right?
Yeah, more find a real woman, man. More find a real woman who can raise me, you understand me, and know the thing.
All right, well, we have a call from Afghanistan and we want to take the call here.
Yeah.
But what your number? Give you announce your number. All
right, the number is 4833589.
You get that, Michelle? Well, Michelle, you didn't write down the number.
How can I write down a number on Facebook?
No, stop. All right, tell your number again. Say your number again. Say your number.
4833 5889.
Real quickly, though.
Yeah.
What is it about you?
Me? I'm just a nice person.
No. What is it about you why a woman should call you?
Why woman should call me? Because I'm a nice person.
Jesus Christ. Listen to me. I want a nice loving man out there. What is it about you where we make you stand out right now for saying, no, sir, make the woman them say, I have to call a man right now.
Yeah, man, I tell me the swiper, yeah?
All right. Let me hear say that come on too. But anyway, blessings here.
Yeah, give stuff.
All right, yeah. Okay, then. Well, Karen will call him. Karen Wildman will call him. Yeah, we have a call from Afghanistan. Go. Hello, talk to him.
Yeah, me have a virgin, right? Let's call him Tiger.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a virgin. Me talk to the virgin the other day, and him give me a traumatic experience.
Yeah.
You know, name Tiger for real, still enough.
Yeah, me know what you mean. Yeah.
Him say, more hear your thoughts on this. Him call me and him tell me, say, boy, my youth, a thing happened to me, you know, and Ray. So I say, what happened, virgin? Man say, man talk to him girl. Let's say him girl name, Booty. We just choose some name out there.
Yeah.
You know, and a real name, you know.
Yeah.
You say that again.
Man talk to Booty.
Yeah, Booty. And him say, boy, you know, him did it and them are sexually, you know, interlude gratification.
Yeah, use code. Yeah.
Yeah.
Them a do the things, them. And that's the thought down there. Them a do the things, them, yeah.
Yeah, they gratify each other.
Yeah.
They use a slight big word. Anyway, him say, the girl said to him, turn around. So the man starts saying, hold on, what do you mean turn around?
Careful now, you're the parade, careful now. Yeah.
Me understand, we're talking a code.
Yeah, so the woman saying for turn around. Oh God.
And let's just say a gust of wind. And the man said, 2 hours later, him wake up. Man, road this up.
No, hold on. We have a good. Tambourine.
I mix up and blend that time.
All right, then talk up to me.
All right, no. We did a key man. Somebody that work with this pastor man.
Yeah.
We could give him a name. What kind of name would I give him now?
Key man, pastor man.
Key man, pastor man.
No.
No.
I could call him Pastor Bulla.
Pastor Bulla.
Yeah, Pastor Bulla. Mm-hmm.
So all the way, Pastor, so I did pour and hope they but me look good. So I see Pastor look for me all the way. So anyway, in the house now, I wear long clothes, or anyway I've gone over, I wear some nice, sexy clothes. So the pastor and I said, you know, they watch TV and so me like Ben and go like me and map out the place and so.
Yeah.
So one night, no, the other, he pastor wife no gonna foreign.
Yeah.
So me asleep, but me not sleep. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm sleep on my belly and me, you know. Me see pastor take time I touch and me go like me asleep. And then I take off the thing, you understand me? And me go like me asleep. And when pastor done now, me say, Helda, what you do, Helda? He say, hi, sister, so and so. The devil overcome me. Me can't do better tonight. Nobody tell nobody.
Well, Uno did actually do anything?
Yes, we were telling do it and don't come with the poor pass. I'm poor.
Yeah, because we love how you fix it up.
Yeah.
So, so you tell me, say, because you stated the pastor moved to you and you met the pastor.
Yes,
wait, which denomination?
Seventh-day Adventist.
Is that Seventh-day Adventist pastor?
Yes.
And you say him screech up in the night there and take off for him to take off and do it. And you make him do the things them to you?
Yes, because if me touch him with that tap, me did have a 6-week-old belly, and me say, since he touch you, no might as well know, you're going to see him now, you know.
Voila. You did have a 6-week-old belly?
Yes.
And him never know, say you have the 6 weeks?
He never know, me say, when he touch me, now rush him, I make him do and feed because I'm going to see him at the daddy time to come.
Oh.
You understand me? So just wait till everything done and her right.
And then when you ask him when do know, when you say...
Go and like say, me just a wait, now me say, Elda.
Voila, no. What you mean you go like you just a wait?
No, me make him don't know, so me go like, me know, you know?
Stop. No, man. So you are telling me, say, when him a do film thing and whatever, you did still go like you asleep?
Yes, me go like me a job on girl. You know, me tell you, me have the 6-week belly and me want, you know?
No. Me not debate that part there. You are telling me, say, that man here sort you out.
Yes.
And believe, say, you did not sleep through the sort out.
Me just go like me asleep. I'm more like
well on. But I say it did nice you.
Yes, I see me, it did nice me.
How long it lasts?
It ain't so long, it does, you know?
Like just what?
Like it, quick, Raga, quick.
What is quick?
Quick, like, me not say educated, but it time busy, so one thing.
No matter, you're not for educated.
2 to 3 minutes, it just come about my teeth, you know, Raga.
Oh, so a couple of minutes, auntie?
Yes,
okay.
I go so...
So wait, so what you say, when he deal with the thing, you just a snore, see me?
So when you wet up my foot, I understand the parable. You say, Helda, how are you, Helda? We go like, we let me sleep. Helda, how are you, Helda? He say, hi, sister, so and so. You never overcome me tonight. Me can't do better, not tell nobody. And I say, Pastor, me not do 2 work and get the same pay, you know? Because me are the house work, man, this I work a different money.
A different work?
You understand?
So you are the house work and him give you a work?
Yeah, so look, you know, Raga, the other man, you know. Me just go drink some orange juice, and me see me put it, me hand on me throat, me am Lord of mercy, what do you? Me say nothing, me just don't love how me feel, you Lord of mercy.
What you mean, the very next morning?
Yes,
No, your story don't make sense, you know.
Yeah?
Even if you're going to convince him, say him breed you, you're not going to start vomit the very next morning. I know some pregnancy.
Yes, Raga, I can't do it, can't feel sick every day. Some of them not no sense.
You can't feel sick.
Right after.
What you mean right after? As you done?
Yes, I can't feel weak.
Weak? No, me not talking about weak. We're talking about the vomit part.
Yeah, your stomach can't upset. Raga, remember, your stomach can't feel sick anytime, you know.
No, me know, but you are referring this to pregnancy.
Yes.
And me probably an idiot, ignorant man, but as far as me know, when a woman get pregnant, she don't start vomit right after.
You can't vomit right after, Raga. Make people call him punish you.
Alright, make me look on the wall because...
Yes, look on
me I look on the wall because I'm very good at posting these things.
Yes, I can. Yes, Raga.
I want somebody call T. Blake and nurse there tell her to post her work. But go and talk. Me I go and watch you work because somebody will educate me.
Yes, Raga.
Yeah, go and talk.
And then no, me time build up like 3 weeks after and so, and me come down and me say go tell him say XYZ, you know?
Yeah.
Say XYZ and he say, you want something a vasectomy? You understand? So
you tell him say him breed you?
Yes, and he must say, what me do vasectomy? That time you don't know what name saying, right? And me I tell him say, yes. You know, saying with that tricky time. So me tell him, say, you know, me tell him, say, bar now. And me care up here. And me set up some people who say, fear him. He say, no, fear mad boy.
The boy, what you did?
Say, he have a mad son up there. And when the people them not say, fear him, come here, tell people, no, we tell say, fear him. He say, no, fear mad son.
Oh, so you didn't do anything with his son?
No, but everybody know that so fear him, so me did a work the XYZ, you know?
Oh, okay, so that the other one that did end up, no? Other one that end up.
Me still I get something.
What you mean?
Me still I get something because she had 20 now and she there UE.
She had 20 now and there UE?
Yeah, well, the truth, she had no XYZ, you know?
Okay, but you still I get money from him?
Yeah, because to them time, you know, things ain't so hard and you take this out.
So 20 years later, you still I get things from him?
Yeah, me still I get something.
Yeah, well, you still I get something from him, can't believe, so the 20-year-old daughter.
No, turn off him, but you know what, me telling why.
Oh, okay.
You know what, me telling why, so he give me something, but you know, call her like until I say, love her and something there, you know, at that daughter to her father, because she say no to her jacket. But so if he keep down his secret, you know?
Yeah, okay.
So if he keep down his secret, you know?
So you blackmail him or whitemail him?
But I don't feel Raga, but me I look something then time.
Oh, no, but you obviously still I look something 20 years later.
Yes. Because me tell you, say, him coming in, no how do you come in like I'm bad in time, me don't know how.
Okay. Oh, you don't know? Oh, when you say little and bad, you did a dash it out, you know?
Yeah, and I tell you, because anybody go and came and come back and tell us that they work and they come with big bags. Okay, if you're a Christian and go up there, so you have to give on.
You say what?
Anybody go and came and come back and tell us that they work for what they have, most of them are liars.
Anybody go came and come back and say they work for what
they work for what they have. So work can make you hard that you have to work a day and work a night.
Oh. So, that man, they're Jamaicans listening Cayman now and say, Anna, listen, hold on, Anna say you're damn bright because you seem to be suggesting that anybody go Cayman and come back with, and go work and come back with good money, them have you up there do the things.
Work up here alone can't help your Raga.
No, you can't say that. I am aware of women, and probably men too, who go to small island and engage in different forms of prostitution. I am aware of people who have a man a Cayman or a woman a Cayman or Antigua, wherever they care. But I don't, but there's a whole heap of people who go up there and work and them not give them people them bond. Them just go up there, feel look money and come back to them family.
Brother?
Yeah.
One time we did have a man out here and I let him man got came and then come back, come with a whole heap of bags and something, and then come down to like 3 weeks after ticket I come up. Yeah, my boy's been friend and my woman boss love her, you see. When she come down, I want to see the amount of things that she has come down with. And as she come down, ticket and come down for her. I pity and never know what happened out there, sir.
And what did happen?
Did you have to up there work and I sell Raga?
You work and I sell?
Yeah, you sell something, you understand?
So where you
know the thing, you know the thing.
Hold on. You tell me straight, I appreciate your honesty, but that's why you know that for now. But you tell me straight up, so when you go Cayman and you work and thing, you actually sell the nookie.
Yes.
So how you sell it?
In the entire you sell it for $25.
25? What you mean? $25 hour?
CI.
25 CI.
I'm supposed to do 5.
Yeah. What you mean 5?
I'm supposed to do 5 a night.
5?
5 multiplied by 25.
Okay, so that's 120.
Some and then give you more than pay rent and do this and give you more than that.
I mix up and blend that time.
Yeah, man. Yeah. That part that done there, sir. All right, we just want to remind people we're just playing back some of our more memorable calls since we have been here at Nationwide 90 FM. And we'll be doing so until 3:30. So we're going to have the read the news right now, run some ads, and when we come back, we'll play back some of our memorable calls. We'll soon forward.
I mix up and blend that time.
On never did I do not know what time because the church sound enough to do it. So 2 weeks before you married him, on the decide, say, you know, I make a test it sitting.
Yeah.
And when you see it and see it small, the first thing come to your mind is that, no, that man is going to get born.
Yes.
What? Tambourine! No, sir! As you see that, you say, no, that's size name, I'm going to get born. I'm going to get born.
We see 50 different pictures, man picture in my mind.
Okay.
That's how serious it was.
Well, it was that small?
Raga, weenie.
No, like, give me an idea how small it. Like, give me an idea, like.
You know, like,
yeah.
so the average 10, 11-year-old boys.
Yeah.
About that size.
What?
Very small. Very Raga.
The big soldier man when you got married, the film something look like one who 10, 11-year-old. Huh?
Yes, Raga.
But give me like an idea, like right near to, like no pencil long.
No man, pencil very long, very long, Raga.
Pencil long.
Yeah, comparing to it.
Give me a night. May I try if it. Wait, look like ice cement, like wait. Okay, here we go. Your liquor finger. Tell me, explain it in relation to your liquor finger.
About half of the other finger to it.
The half of the finger beside the little finger, about half of that one.
Yes. No, the little finger plus half of the other one to it.
Oh.
So maybe some people think
and that's your little finger.
Yes.
So basically, I could just look on the other finger then and say little longer than that one then. But what was it very thick?
Raga, to tell you the truth, after thinking about that, I said to myself, but maybe I not even do the swiping. But I look back on it, I said, no, I feel like I eat one melted candy. I just don't bother with it. Simple as that.
But hold on now. What I want to ask you now is, the church people them know. If them hear you say that, you know that they would not be pleased with you.
But Raga, the Holy Ghost talk to me, because anybody did marry him, Raga? My life would have done full stop.
Hold on. What you say, when you see it and you decide, say, this is a man you're going to get born and this is not a man for David, you think it was the Holy Ghost attack you at that?
No, I mean, the Holy Spirit, going to tell me if you go try it out at first.
Oh.
Alright, what is
so God attacked you if you check it out before you're going to get married?
Yes.
Because God wants you to know exactly where you're going to say, are you on Tompa or link right now? Yes. I don't know with Tompa. Oh, yes. Jesus, me understand. So it's God reveal the thing to you, don't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the church people them can't tell you no foolishness because God did attack to you.
But I want to learn, I was saying to myself, this should have go through with the marriage.
Yeah.
And just like miserable. And maybe a 2 year, 3 years with divorce after. Because Ragashanti, sort out very important to a marriage, right?
Sort out is very important to a marriage,
very
right?
Important, no matter what nobody wants to say.
Right.
Yes, and me I say to myself, you know, if I marry him, he don't get born and me die not pay and me going there with him, me not going to do that. You know me for the Raga?
Yeah.
Me not want my parents come parents can say, you know, blood Jesus against you, then crap there. So.
Or the parents, I say the blood of Jesus against you because them parents say you have, right?
You understand?
Right,
Maybe they say me soon you had a person to go try it or whatever. And I want to, like I say, up to a week before. Well, Raga, before that, him actually, he actually sort me out though.
Him actually sort you out? When actually do it?
Huh?
So no actually do it?
No, him do it. Me not do nothing. Me just cry.
Oh, because you never.
You understand? And all along in the day, yes. See, say, I basically let me cry for, you know.
Also, you never cry because I the sort out. You cry because it paid you to be doing this with this little thing. I want the backside. I want that. Tambourine. So wait, when the sort out a shot, you a ball, but him think you a ball.
Put on some cold ball and can message Jesus Christ. Suppose me did a couple weeks after.
Hold on. What you are saying to me is, when you shot the sort out, because your fiance at that point, and you know, whatever this, so you shot the sort out, you a ball. He must think you're true, he must put it on wicked, make you a ball. But you a ball, and I say, what a depressing situation, I can't believe I married this.
Raga, in the morning you wake up now, the kiss and how was last night.
Sure.
You just start ball again.
If I laugh, I tremble.
Like, I mix up and blend that time.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
We just want to say, from we listened yesterday, how you get your voice for sound so like a woman voice and use a man? How you get that? How you do that? I something you practice. What?
Me not left my tea at morning time.
You not left your what?
Me not leave my tea at morning time. Every morning I have to have a hot cup of Milo. That's what gives me my voice.
Milo give a voice if you talk. So. No, but when I say,
a hot cup of Milo.
No, but when I say, when the gay youth them talk, you can't talk like woman. Sometimes you can still hear the man voice in them. We not hear the man voice in your voice.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
From yesterday, Raga, I tell you, say, me is the real trendsetter. That's why I tell you, say, me set all of the trend because me go out, nobody, me not to worry and say, Jesus Christ, I wonder if you're not going to find out to me as a man because they're not going to listen to my voice. Me not worry about that because I tell you, say, a hot cup of Milo every day.
Okay.
Every morning.
Okay. So, how your relatives them take this now? Like how them, like when them did say, boy, you're born a man, but, you know, you behave like straight to man and whatever, like, what them they try? What them they do? Them they try fix you?
Mr. Raga, my brother them used to kill me with liquor.
Who?
My brother them used to beat me, batter me.
Oh, Zane.
And tell me if start going like man.
Oh, Zane.
But none changes never did that for me, my love. None changes at all never did that for me.
Oh, and then what them accept you now?
Yeah, them have to accept me. Them have to.
But talk the truth. Talk the truth.
I'm not talking about no money accept. Them have to accept me.
Oh, then
I'm nice and clean. I'm have a clean heart and a pure mind. So them have to accept me.
But then, but tell me something. Them shame you know, like them can't go road with you talking truth. Them go road with you or what?
Rather, I'm telling you, me is the exact replica of a lady. So why don't have to go road with me?
Oh, so when they go road with you, you just move like a woman, nobody don't know say you're a man.
Yeah, I'm a nice, clean lace wig. My excitement tight, my excitement Pond the River, them and them excitement. Yeah, well, nice, clean clothes there.
You wear B-Rider and Pond the River and them some of them?
Yeah. Some of the lady Raga I want to you.
So well on. Then even though you say a lady, your foot not have like the man toughness in it. Like you know, your foot not tough like man like them here.
No, Raga, what kind of toughness you talk about?
No, me just say sometimes you one time when I give you jet like woman and what sometimes you see look at toughness in how no way say.
No, love, no toughness, me soft and nice. Skin smooth, skin clean, no scot, no spots, no marky.
Okay. So when you want in life, one day you want to go settle down with a man now or something like so it go?
My husband, I want to you.
You have your husband?
Yes, I have my husband.
Well, who are you can't say your husband's name, though.
No, I'm not saying him name.
No, don't say your name, whatever.
We as gays, you know, oftentimes we argue with one another, we fight and them something there that kind of break up the community.
Oh, see?
And apart from that, they have the other people that claim for them straight.
Yeah.
We want to take the attention off of themselves.
All right.
One bun out with them something there at times.
All right, what more ask you though? There are many people who believe that there is a more intense type of violence amongst gays. And some people debate whether or not this is a caricature, whether it's just a stereotype, whether it's an inaccurate statement, or is it true. But many people have it that gays have this kind of violence, like one of those extra violent. What do you think about that? Anything goes up?
All right. They have a point where they say that we're extra violent because, honestly speaking, if you know that somebody is against you, you're not going to stand up and allow them to fight you, don't fight them back, don't you?
I know, but I think I don't know because we hear straight people chop up straight people all the while. But sometimes, I remember the brother from Calabar where they must dig out TI and all them Calabar music and somehow and this or sometimes, you know, me ask you think say gay people just especially violent and do some vile things are not really gossip?
Yeah, honestly, we're violent bad and we're jealous bad. When I talk about jealousy and violence, I talk about we.
Oh, Zane.
That's bad, my love. Because regular people want people for them, man, you know, regular, my love.
Regular people?
And bust up liberty, attack their things, say, oh, for them, man, want them and this and excitement. Them excitement are my regular, my love. Every day.
All right, tell me something, I know. You take enough man for enough girl or not no say you want to take one man for a girl?
But of course, when we stop that, from yesterday, Raga, me tell you, so anytime me touch shirt dance, me and my sister, them Fantasia and Angel and them excitement there. When we touch shirt dance...
Well on. When you say sister, Fantasia, Angel, I saw other man will look like woman you talk about, right?
Yes,
okay.
Other men that look like ladies.
So on take straight man, on take with the man them from the girl out there, from the real girl.
We take straight man, lean man, bend up man, every kind of man.
So, well on, I want to not drive for a straight man now. I want to go about it. What want to do? What really go do?
All right. Tell me, I ask you the question now, Raga.
Yeah.
When I see nice, clean ladies that dance, you don't see them approach man. I see man approach them, don't it?
Well, that's true. So what if a man step to you then?
Every day.
Okay.
Every time me go dance, before me even reaching the dance, as me step out of the vehicle, man approach.
Man a look
you. Of course.
And them no know say you're a man, but the way you just look,
when I talk about body right and them something there talk about we.
Then tell me something I know. So like when a man step to you and the man straight and thing and whatever and I move to you and whatever. At some point you make the man find out to use a man?
Yeah, but I'm ready to start get down and dirty, my love. I'm start ready to drop it like it's hot. I just tell him say, you know that I'm a man.
Then wait, you know. Then when you tell him say you're a man at that point, you know, you know get some violent reaction from the man then.
If me not get what?
When a man step to you because him thinks so you're a woman and a lyrics here and give beer arguments and whatever, and then probably I'll go up and date with you and chat to you on phone and then I want to reach a point where look a dog ring and go on and in a female mind is a woman him going to slap up right now and do the things them with. And then you go reveal say you're a man. What type of reaction you get from them man then?
Get positive reaction. I never get a negative reaction.
You not tell me say a straight man who a move to you as a woman and then go find out you as a man, you never reach one point yet when a man they want warrior and say, what you do?
Mr. Raga, me know of the work. Me know of the work.
When you say you know, when you say you know for work, is that you imply say you know how to nurse them in the thing and make them do it too?
Nurse them in and nurture them and say you know say such and Ryan say. You understand?
I mix up and blend that time.
Yeah, we are play back some calls. Since we come over nationwide and since we forward nationwide, we played back some calls there. We're going to look a break. We're soon forward and then we're going to the phone lines to talk to you. We're soon forward. All right. We'll come back up and I sitting. Okay, we're about to move to the phone lines and get some mix-up and thing and we're going to ask you for ease off with the New Year wishes and so forth. We don't want the rest of the show just be about New Year wishes. No disrespect. Scene. To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Remember, we only want mix-up now and some drama sitting for end the year. Scene. Yes, hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Hi, how are you?
I'm a day I give thanks, you know. What I go down?
Yes, long time I try to get here now. But here I know, get straight to the point.
Yeah.
You know, say I have a lesbian stalker. I'm a bit of a fan wall and I'm a post up on fan wall, right?
Yeah.
Never lesbian stalker, you know. From, 2 days now, she has stalked me, right?
Yeah.
And never know she has stalked me. So, I get up one man and go from the veranda.
Hold on. You can't say that P word there unless you say pum pum yam. You cannot say that word unless you're saying pum pum yam, here?
Yes.
But anyway, go and talk. But fix up your language, dress it up here.
Okay. And she talk up the things, you know. So, me tell her two indecent language, right?
You tell her too bad word when she tell you. She'll look by your fatness and want up your sitting down.
Yeah.
And you give her too clot. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm going back now. Anyway, I forget about it. The next morning, I wake up and normally I cook, would throw the food to the dog in the early morning.
Yeah.
So I get up and throw the food to the dog in the early morning. I hear somebody clear them throat. When they look, the girl up in the ackee tree with one sitting in her mouth, the little thing they were then using in her mouth, ask me if more experience it.
Hold on. After she see you the day and I tell you so your bottom brown and I tell you you're something fat and she want up your body. The next morning you go to throw out your dog food, she up in the ackee tree.
Yes, Raga.
With wine and mouth. With wine and mouth.
The little thing with the can't call it funny. Can't call it. You know?
Call it and we see. If it's bad, we cut it out, but call it. Hello? Dildo. Yeah, man, you can't say dildo.
That appropriate because.
Yeah, man, you can't say dildo. Yeah.
Having her mouth.
So she have the dildo in her mouth and work it up on her.
Yeah. And clear her throat and look. and she had to ask me if I want to experience it. Rather, it's
so she was. So she was.
Got through the ground. We got through the ground.
Oh God! So she want to use the dildo upon you?
If we could have, yes. If we could have got through the earth could have opened up and take me. I tell you, really frightened.
Then will the ackee tree in your yard?
No, in a fair yard, next door fair yard.
Okay.
A fair ackee tree. I'm not ackee tree. Fair ackee tree.
So what me know when she up there now, I have the dildo in her mouth. After that, and I tell her, say, if you want to come, if she want to sample it up, what happened after that?
Me tell her back to class and go in.
Okay.
You understand? Me tell her back to class and go in. So yesterday now, me tell my people about it. And yesterday now, morning now, when we get up, me go on and XYZ. So me go on at the station and talk to the police them and tell the police them, and the police them come and I talk to her and tell her she leave me alone. Hear the girl now, hear the girl. Boy, officer, she no want to lick me down. I'm tell the officer say me go lick her down. Anyhow, she continue doing that. You know, boy, officer, she no want to lick me down long time, you know. As she kind of come in and admire and she no want to look my way. I said the girl go on, you know.
And that you said to the police,
That she said to the police. The police will come and say, well, the lady have her receipt. But she come on and tell her file a complaint about you. They don't leave the girl. We don't believe what happened after. So, when we not really fear back from that, but me I say the woman go far up in the ackee tree with the something in her mouth as me. If no one experience, all of them never know, so never start kind of.
No, but you say any woman, any lesbian, or anybody for that matter, who have a climb an ackee tree and sit down up there with a dildo in their mouth and wait for you to come out and attack up the things and I tell her, say, you know what, come try this. That's just, no man, that person has problems. That person has problems. And it's definitely somebody you should be very wary of, because anybody can climb a tree with a dildo in their mouth because they like you. And somebody you need for free, that. You do the right thing when you go to the police. And which police station you need that for? Rallington Town Police Station you go. So you go in a Rallington Town Police Station and make them know about the lesbian with the dildo in her mouth up in her ackee tree where one sort you out, no?
So, because we put it on our fan wall too, you know. Put it on Facebook too, you know. Make them know what going on.
Well, you put it on my fan. You post it on my fan wall. You post a mix up on my fan wall.
Yes.
Okay.
The middle name is Madagascar.
Your middle in your name, your middle name is Madagascar.
Yeah.
All right.
So, any name is Madagascar, Ami.
Are you? All right then. No, well. Yeah. And about when this happened, you know?
I told you day before yesterday. Yesterday, the other day.
Okay.
The other, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
It happened.
Why? But
I pushed up on the wall for your feet, you know.
All right. You know what? If you're in your computer, put it up again. Put it backside up again. I make you see what going on here, sir.
All right.
And listen, you be careful, because them they like when me talk them things, but you have woman and rape woman out there too.
Yeah, man.
I mean, I don't know if you hear about that, but woman and rape woman out the road too. Everybody know about man and rape woman, but woman and rape woman too. Draw with woman, draw with little girl, and then do the things them too. So, any woman that climb a ackee tree with a dildo in her mouth, she will do something sitting, and I tell the police point blank, say, oh, she me want to lick me down, you know, love me want to top her butt. Yeah, she will do the things them. You understand? Next thing you know, she eat your ackee. Oh, I'm sure. I you know what that.
Alright, after me can share the mix up with you, and me just want to big you up and me glad for you, I do. You understand?
Yeah, man, we give thanks.
You make me have a day and big up fan wall, straight, and big up yourself, alright?
Maximum respect. You can't imagine she want to open up the woman occupied, eh?
She better pray, say her force it over and it pies now.
That woman never open up the woman occupied. No, sir, that's not right. She said, no woman don't want nobody open up. No woman can open up her occupied.
But she didn't climb ackee tree.
I climb ackee tree with dildo in her mouth. No, that just look not. Even if a lesbian and look a woman, you know, fear go. But you see a woman like she make lesbian look real bad, you know?
That is true.
Because you have decent lesbian out there, you know, carry themselves classy and whatever, this and that. And them decent lesbian, you know, probably a listener and say, see that them damn idiot to man, and them people, I make the people that eat to, you know.
Like early morning.
Yeah, the early morning. You know, in the morning, Jew. What I drop off a leaf pan her. You see it, and I drop off a leaf pan her dildo too. You understand? She's a moisture. The early bird catches the worm. The early bird catch a dildo up in the ackee tree. Careless. Anyway, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
What's up?
Rebecca, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine. What's up?
Great. I have a little mix-up to give you.
Yeah, man, send her.
Yesterday I was in the bank, and
Yeah.
I was approached by this well-dressed woman who apparently she thought that I was into this whole lesbian thing. So she started...
Well, apparently she what?
She thought that I was a lesbian or whatever.
She thought that you were a lesbian. Okay.
On the fact that I wear a ring on my thumb and my tongue happens to be pierced.
Okay, you wear a ring on your thumb and your tongue is pierced. So she saw you in the bank and apparently concluded that you were into lesbianism.
I was of that ilk. Okay.
Okay.
No, after conducting my business and stuff, and I stepped outside to go to, and I headed towards my car. She was clapping me, hello, hello, hello. So I said, hi, how are you? So she was like, where are you heading? I said, what concern is that of yours? So she said to me, because wherever you're going today, I'm going to be following you. I said, for what? So she said, I like your body, I want to sort you out, blah, 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 blah. But I dismissed her and I drove off. When I got onto Kingston Spring Road and looked in my rearview mirror, there was this woman tailing me. I decided that, you know what, I was going to go to the police station. And I said, what the heck, for the heck of it, I'm just going to see what she's up to.
Right.
So I pulled over and indicated for her to stop. She came out of her car, pull her top down, exposing her breast and everything.
Well, you pull over. Can you realize that this woman here follow you was see at the bank and move to you and tell you about she wants to you? Just so. And the first time you meet that woman, you don't
I never see this woman from when I was born.
So you pull.
On top of everything, the traffic was heavy on the road. The woman pulled down her top, exposing her breast and everything.
Well, she show your breast on Kingston Spring Road.
Off everybody.
With the heavy traffic there.
Horns, honking, people talking, all kind of thing.
So the man, them seat and the people, them seat and a blow on and them something.
Rather, the woman seemed as if she was possessed by a demon because her eyes, the color of her eyes changed. I started to scream. I said, Lord Jesus, what is this I do? I got back into my car, locked myself.
Well, before proceed, the breast them, they look good?
Average.
Average. Okay, go on.
Okay, and she proceeded to bang on my car. So she jumped onto the hood of my car and decided that she was going to move. So I was like, Lord, do I drive off and make this woman drop, or do I...
What you really tell me? So she jumped up on your car and decided she now...
She laid on the hot car.
She laid up on... by this time she covered her breast them, right?
No.
What, the breast them still out?
Exactly. She's laying on my windscreen with her breast exposed, pressed against my windscreen.
She press up the breast them on the windscreen, make you see the breast them.
And then she was like, from I see I want you, and I have to get you, I tell you I have to get you, I tell you I have to get you. Then on top of everything, the woman started to pretend as if she and I were lovers and I wanted to leave her.
Don't look at that thing.
I was heading back to work.
Look at that thing.
I got back to me. I didn't know that a co-worker of mine saw the whole drama. And took it
where on Kingston Spring Road this happened?
This happened close to Mary Brown's corner.
Close to Mary Brown. Oh, near to Manningsville Road.
Right.
Below Manningsville Road or above Manningsville?
Heading towards, like you're going to Havendale. Like you'll be going to Havendale. After you pass the gas station going up.
So you pass this a little bit, past the church part, go up a little bit. Okay, near to the new Scotiabank complex. Okay, go and talk. Yeah, near to Domino's.
Right. So, Raga, after I got back to my office now, my co-worker, who I didn't see in the traffic, went back to my office with it and spread the news that I'm a lesbian because me and my woman down Kingston Spring Road fighting. I had to go home before time yesterday. And, you know how I got rid of her yesterday was because a gentleman took her off the car and said, lady, you can't be doing that, you can't be doing that. And, she proceeded to carry on, and I got nervous. These people have become so brazen. It's unbelievable.
The brazen is like you have a set of lesbian out there. Them not care. Them just step to you.
Then I'm worried because I'm saying to myself, what if this was a young girl who was, could not defend herself? What would have happened?
Yeah, because
crazy, Raga. What if it was a young girl?
Just the shock alone to them, it sometimes it incapacitates.
No, I'm saying I have nothing against anybody and their sexuality. Just don't bring it to me. Why are you taking it to me? If I was gay, then I would understand that, all right, I would probably know some code or whatever to give her. I know nothing else.
No, but a lot of lesbians
But she said I was giving her a code, and I don't know any code. What code I know?
Oh, okay. You see, and I mix, I think Julia tongue bore I have and tongue ring or whatever, she mix you up and think. I have never done any lesbian thing before. Never. And do you have any
inkling to do anything?
You have any inkling to try it also? No. Okay, you're putting your tongue ring for aesthetic or other reasons. Okay, whatever.
Yes, for my own personal benefit.
For your own personal benefit, which you care not to go into.
Exactly. Thank you.
All right then. But what you feel as a woman knowing that you go through an experience like this with an aggressive lesbian like that who back out her breast them on one of the main thoroughfare of the country, jump up on your car with her press up her breast them on your windscreen and determined to shall go start you from just seeing you in a bank and one thing.
Raga, it's frightening. I had nightmare. It was such a traumatic. I went back to work and I went into the bathroom and I was just shivering. I work in a bank, right? And I wasn't at work yesterday to work per se. I was just cleaning up some things before the end of the year because it was actually my day off. But I was just at work to do some things. So I was really, I run the back doing my thing and, it's a good thing. I didn't have to, go to face customers. I don't know what I would have done. I was the woman, it is like a demon possessed her. I call it changed and right now, I can't tell you.
Oh, well, you're not say a boy. But, as this kind of change, I just make you a little bit more aware or apprehensive when you're on the road now or anything. It has. Okay.
It has. And not only that, you'd say this woman, you drive a nice car, she don't look too bad. You would say, I don't know if some devil tell her to jump on me. I don't know what it was.
But before you go, just tell me, do you see this as an isolated incident from an eccentric and weird person, or do you see it as something that there are women out there who will rape women?
So true, because I've since yesterday I've shared my story with a couple of people and everybody is saying to me, be careful because this is a rampant thing. Everybody is afraid because they think it's men raping women pulling away women, pulling away schoolgirls, luring them away,
But you see, people come up to me and they tell me these things, say that it's going on a lot, and some people are concerned that their thing is that the law don't seem to think that it's a priority yet.
It's a priority.
And their thing is that
it is a priority. It's not as if it's an isolated incident. It has only happened to me.
Right.
I've heard stories from other people who worse things have happened to. I've heard of somebody being held down in a popular nightclub in Kingston, and she told me her story of being held down by two lesbians. So it's not like it's an isolated case or nobody knows about it. People do know about it, but this is hush-hush thing because it's the in thing, I suppose. I don't know.
I don't hear any powerful woman talking about it. In fact, they think...
No, because a lot of powerful women are lesbians.
But in fact, when it come up, their stance is it's a lie. It's people just making up negative stories against lesbians. That is what that is what they're saying. That it's essentially it's like a conspiracy against lesbians. They argue, and that is people making up bad and nasty things against lesbians.
But I have friends that are lesbians. So it's not as if I have...
Okay, you have friends that are lesbians that just don't behave that way, right?
I am just not one of them.
Okay.
But I don't judge anybody based on their sex.
But you see, the point I make from all of this is, well, one, we don't want to think that the actions of a minority represents the actions of the majority.
No.
But because I still hold that if you just play the figures, then it must follow that you have a lot of lesbians out there who don't behave in that way. They're desperate, rape-inclined way. But I just think that we always, encourage our young ladies to be careful we always encourage our young ladies and we train them to be able to identify male rapists and so forth, and men who want to take advantage of them sexually. I just think that one of the things that we need to do right now is to teach our young ladies also to identify female rape, because a lot of young girls out there just have the opinion that it's a woman that, so we can just automatically trust her.
No, Reggae, you see, it's where we're cultured. We are cultured to believe that men are rapists, women are not. Women are always the victims.
And I stand by some woman and rape woman out there too.
Women who are giving them money to give these girls to lure them into it, and it's a whole thing. I have a friend who is on a school board, and she was telling of one of these schools, and she was telling me that it is more rampant than people would like to believe, and they're trying to downplay it so as to, not to ruin the reputation of the school and all of that. And I really
and I don't want people to misunderstand what I'm about to say, but my concern here is not so much, and I don't want people to misunderstand. Please don't, whatever. Apparently, there are some schoolgirls doing it voluntarily and experimenting. Now, to be honest with you, my concern is not with that. I don't want people to think that I'm condoning it or anything. My concern is the instances where young girls are forcing themselves on other girls, resulting in a traumatic experience that's bound to affect them negatively. And what one parent told me is that she is upset because she said when the matter comes up and things, they always deal with it like, just talk to them and give them some counseling and things. And she said they don't see it as a serious criminal thing. And she said, if a young boy do it to the girl, them say, no man, you have to prosecute him and so forth. But when a girl forces herself on another girl sexually, they see like, oh Lord God, man, them look, she watch the cable too much. And then get them to counseling and let them go. But rape is rape.
But Reggae, you have these big women who park outside of school gates and wait on these young ladies.
You know this for a fact, or you just say?
I know this. I'm telling you that my friend is on a school board, and from time to time she'll tell me these things. But I know for a fact she was telling me of a particular young lady who has now left the school for the States because her woman used to pick her up in the evenings. And when other students see this happening, they too are going to want to do it. Because she's carrying a BlackBerry torch to school. Come on now. Which young girl don't want a BlackBerry torch?
Well, high school.
High school. Which young girl don't want a BlackBerry torch?
Okay, BlackBerry.
And this woman is able to finance these things. And of course, other girls are going to be lured into the behavior. And, it is going to become a hush-hush thing. And because it has now become a societal thing where it's the norm. I don't know. It's just frightening.
Okay. All right, then. You blessings. You take care of yourself, yeah?
And all the best for the new year.
All right, and the same to you. Okay.
Bye-bye.
All right, well, I'll look a break. We'll soon juggle up back in our sitting. We'll soon forward. Yeah, welcome back inside our last show for 2010, our last Mixup show for 2010. Welcome back with yours truly, your host, Ragashanti. I mean that, saying large upon yourself. Yo, you know, some of this somewhere, and drama start, Emily, pick up a FedEx package. And pick up a FedEx package, and the man get the number 69. So yo, I don't want this. I want a number. I say, yo, just this is the number reach. Yo, I don't want a number there. I want a number. Come and give man them number. I don't want a number 69.
Boomy.
Here we go to the phone line. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, what's up?
Is this Ragashanti?
This is Ragashanti. What's
up? Go on.
I'm a day ahead. What going on with you?
Good.
Yeah, I'm a good long time from birth.
Well, I just want to call in to say I do a good thing still, because a whole lot of people call and you should get encouragement and everything there.
You see it?
Yeah, man. All right, then peace out.
Yeah, man. Blessings and respect.
All right.
Yeah, man. Protection. All right, I know, Ruthie. Shot with some mix-up, Ruthie. Ruthie deep up in something there, you know. Ruthie, all right? Ruth Levy, okay? Eh? Yeah, all right? All right, shot me some mix-up here. Some mix-up more here. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Yes.
Yeah, I got.
Whoa.
Yeah, man. Big up, man. Yeah, boss. That's it still. I have a brother, see?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm brother still, but one day me and him, that one place, I catch fish.
Yeah.
So I say, yo, so I have to cut you now.
Yeah.
I'm a cut. I'm going hard and things. My daddy and him, dear mother, they are on the seat.
What you there, your brother yard, and him baby mother send on by you?
Yeah, but me and him did that one place I catch fish.
You and your brother did that one place I catch fish. And you left. And then go back. And then you go take that. I go take a baby mother fish.
Yeah, guy, always I tell him about Ray and me have big instruments and Ray.
Who always I tell him baby mother about it?
My brother always I tell him baby mother that.
Your brother always I tell Fim baby mother say you have a big instrument, say you have a big tool.
Yeah, in a joke thing he always talk, you know.
In a joke thing, but it look like him gonna make she get curious and think I want to sample something.
Yeah, because she always a pre me and think I'm say, so one day me and market fees now I'm a Clyde will left in my place.
Eh?
Yeah, I'm going yard and thing and listen on for me and thing.
Oh, so when you didn't leave him there or whatever, that was the plan forget the sort out from him, from your brother baby man.
Yeah.
Okay, and then after that, one time you do it, I did do it after that again.
That's already one time, but couple months after that, he might tell me, say, oh, the girl have man. And he might call the man name like, he might say, hey, she have that man there, sort of, man, and then he might say, and you too.
What?
What tell me?
Well, there is a couple months after that time married. It's a couple months after that, you're married, and the man say, yo, you know, so my baby mother have a man. Yeah, man, she have a man and sort her out. And you too. And that
yeah, and he must say, and you too.
And then what happened so?
So I say, oh, you find out that she tell the man. And he must say, no, man, and she say, like, him ask her. And she say, and me tell him.
Hold on. When you ask him how him find out, what him say?
I ask him, oh, him find out.
Yeah, and what him say?
He not tell me.
No, man, he must say something. He must say something after. What him say?
No, man, he not tell me, man.
Him not tell
me. He ask him, say, how him find out.
Right.
Yeah.
And then what him say?
Him a laugh. Yeah, so me I say, and she tell him.
Oh, okay.
And him I say, no. Isn't it?
Yeah, okay. So you say, I must him baby mother go tell him. And he must say, no, and she tell.
Yeah. She tell him, say, and me tell him.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, she know I tell him, say, and you go tell him.
Yeah.
So how you think him fine now?
Well, I live good enough, he say, and she tell him.
So when you say, I want to live good?
Yeah, man, they live good.
The world I want to live good, no. Yeah, well, that sound like a true. The world I want to live good for true. So only one time you saw it out?
Yeah.
So wait, now, where you want him live? You want him live in the same place with the baby mother?
Yeah, me and him live, we have 2 rooms.
Yeah.
So them live in a one room and me live in a one.
Okay, so since you saw it out your brother baby mother one time, you saw it out again?
After that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I live in a car, the rentals. But when I time him saying gone, and him gone run on the front, I want next girl house.
Yeah.
That the next door, I saw out a girl. But I left me a yard, so me run, then I saw out team the mother. So everybody expected gone on the road, but him did the same way.
Him did the same way?
Mm-hmm.
And then what? Mine a lie you're telling.
Nah, man, I really think, man.
So, how many times you saw out your brother baby mother?
About 3 times.
About 3 times?
Mm-hmm.
About how long ago was the last time you saw it?
How long ago?
Yeah.
About a year now.
Oh, so a long time something?
Yeah, man, a long time.
Okay, all right then, cool. So you don't feel like drunk or say you do that?
Not really, because him did a drunker himself still.
Him a drunker too?
Yeah.
So, what him did drunker with? Him did start out your girlfriend?
I want to tell her after that, him go look some kind of know my girlfriend, you know, but him go look for her, you see me, I saw her out. What him name was him, you know.
Okay.
And somebody now pinch me and tell me, but I never bother, you know.
Okay. All right then. Bless up here.
Yeah.
What do you think, Emily? Sound like a bit of a...
Sound fishy.
Somebody was, as me and one bossy auntie used to say, are you fibbing? Don't fib with me, okay? No fibbing. I think he was fibbing.
What's the name of that movie that you were seeing again?
A Fish Called Wonder.
Yeah.
Okay, but that's not a lie. Never lie. I'm saying, oh, do shut up, Portia.
Yeah.
That just gets you know. A long time movie by Kevin Clyde, you know, comedy and thing, and the brother would do the Holy Grail or something. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello?
Yes, greetings. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Raga?
Yeah.
Yeah, arthritis, Raga.
Who?
Arthritis, man. The singer. You know arthritis is a singer.
Arthritis is a singer. All right, arthritis. Yes.
Yeah, we're part two popular entertainer.
What?
We're part two popular entertainer.
Eh.
Me I tell you a thing about this, man. Me say, after listening to the Raga,
eh?
after me there them play from 2004, then me and them apart and thing till them bust out in 2005, then.
What, these are the two popular... Well, these are the two popular entertainer.
Yeah, them me I talk about. You know, arthritis to talk about them.
Yeah.
Listen, you know, me and them go to my part together and know one thing.
Stop. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't call that artist name, yeah?
All right.
Yeah. So they must say another artist that fight against them career, yeah? Okay.
Yeah, then, all right, them say nothing now go on for them. So everybody in the community where they know, you know, because them live nearby, you know, then.
Okay.
All right, I go to my me and them a set now. When them a go a think straight, when nothing now gonna be sure go on them a call me to come with them and thing, and me a go a show with them and be showing. You see when the big boss come and them do the big song and they wanna get thing now, and them go to my and drop a thing and now.
Yeah.
When me look in a Raga, is a boy me see, you know, coming a man, that was a big fat boy with the red band on him hand, you know, when me I go for top correction, me and them alone, you know. And police ease me off to come out and show, you know. You see me I say Ragashanti?
Yeah.
The man them go to Bam Raga and give me some work for paint them place and them thing. The man them a go a fire Raga. The man them go to Bam dog and take $20,000 for one pair of shoes, 2 pants and 2 shirts in a daddy.
20. Then take 20. Well on.
Can't believe it, you know.
Well on, then take $20,000 for
what? 2 shirts, 2 pants, and 1 pair of shoes.
What
big man thing, me I tell you.
Well on, then bring back that from foreign and then take $20,000 from you.
Yeah, man, a real thing, I tell you, man. I mean, I tell you what I talk to you. I must know which artist me I talk to you. I try to talk to you.
Yeah,
we don't know what I talk to you.
We know which we know the artist then. We know the artist then.
All right. Raga, man, then go to me in a Raga and call me in a Ragashanti.
Well on. You see, all of that is relative doing that because you have punch yourself foreign for a little over 200 US. And that is about 20.
Raga, so you eat that pants, man, and can't come give me Raga.
Okay. Look like what the pants, can them buy them at Conway?
Yeah, and Raga, listen, Raga, I tell you, the man come from separation in a Ragashanti. You say that, listen to Ragashanti.
Yeah.
And me, listen, cook food, give them, make them eat everything. I mean, make them know 2 pounds, 3 pounds, and 4 pounds, and 10 pounds, because be half pound them boy they buy in a Raga. Real thing, you know.
Well, you say, hold on.
Yeah.
You see, since me know twin of twins, me know them now go sue me. Because me know them good.
Yeah.
You as a twin of twins, you don't only know half pound, and you make them know about 2 pounds and 3 pounds and them something.
What you mean, Ragashanti? I really think me I tell Raga, listen to this Raga. Me say me have become Raga, you used to live near with you in a Raga. You used to live near so I live in a Raga.
Who, me?
Yeah, man. What man?
No, well, I don't tell nobody. No, say nothing about where me live. Because me have some dirty people out there. Because me not take no check. Yeah.
Raga.
Yeah.
Me want you listen me good in a Raga. Listen this, you know. You have a place named Ferry down for Kingston Road, see? You go to Bama and go look. Be a fair fish all the while and come and we cook and eat everything, everything nice. Listen to me I tell you, Raga, and a joke thing me I tell you, Raga.
Yeah, but me a listen, you keep on and tell me to listen. So me already a listen. Yeah.
Hear me, right? Hear me. Well, me just tell you like I want to show you how wicked the boy them is to me. So nobody take me thing like a joke thing me I did right now. Some man sing and mash them out and the police them I bring for me and them things. So if you hear me after that, me I tell you that. Say me I tell Raga. The man them call me Raga.
and ask me to a tin of mackerel in a Raga. And me and the man in my papa and how long me tell them about loyalty and Ray them in a Raga. The man in no loyalty in them in a Raga.
Well, you know, sir, up to now, I don't know what is the central issue. What is the main...
Listen to the central thing I'm talking about. Listen good.
What happened between you and twins? What? Uno now get along now, right?
Listen what? Yeah, listen.
Well, all the tin mackerel go. Who asks who fit in a mackerel? Let me ask you for a tin mackerel.
You want any Patrick?
No, but just start. Just so somebody ask if one of them ask if you a tin mackerel.
All right, then. I will listen now. Raga.
Me listen, yeah.
The twin them call me and ask me how much I tin mackerel. They must know that the bad thing I am. All Jamaica know me, who don't know me.
Yeah.
When them call the arthritis, so you don't know that too. When the man them go so listen to me, the man them a suffer all along in a Raga. Tell me put on them big roof on them house, you know. Them want to give me $60,000 for the roof, you know. Then say when things are going, them want to give me a money, Raga. To them want me sit me now and run me for nothing, and I cut me about my woman, them David and them things, so me dead woman, them want to get to under. Like them a say me to list me, me not for David, not get up, girl, and Ray, call on my mother, them a check now, my mother, them and them thing there. But me don't tell them, I'm not afraid of them boy, Raga.
No, hold on. Are you telling me that twin of twins I tell you, say you know for they will not get a girl?
No, that me I tell them, man, I really think me I tell them, man.
No, me know why you feel now, you know. I know because me know them like that. Me know why you feel now, but me would have to hear for them side of the story. You know. Well, you not upset about that if me say me want to hear for them side of the story.
Me not upset, because I tell me not go upset now.
All right, then, because, I find it hard to imagine a situation knowing who twin of twins are. Get to you, them were always a champion to get to and everything. I find it hard to think them could have reached a point that tell you, say, you're not for them, will not get a girl.
You want me to give a number to call my mother and my brother and ask them if one of them then call them and talk about it. I think I lie, me I tell.
All right. It's so, no.
The mother, you know, she get pregnant for me now, and I say she get pregnant right now.
Well,
them start dealing with me wicked and not show me no love, nothing.
Well on. It sounds to me that there's some other parts to this drama where, like, you have your side for them side. But it sounds to me like there's some, cause it sounds serious, but it sounds to me like if I talk to them, they may have a very different perspective on what happened.
Raga.
Yeah.
Yeah, you listen to me, point of view, make you know where everything will come up along the line. See?
Yeah.
Listen, me and the man, them apart, I said from 2004 straight, I switch the man, them switch from me dog, for nothing at all. Listen, you know, are you like me there, them people, me watch them child, them little think, I said to them, say loyalty, nothing at all, me I help them out, I don't know, me come from ghetto, down a Spanish town, me come from, and me come in a hill, and I say, yeah, me no want no crime, no war, no bad bit and them things. So me can sing good on them things, them tell me to roll with them, and me I roll with them, and me I sing with them, mash up on any show, follow the area of them show there. Them not do nothing for my career, Raga, that me I tell you. Them a hold me down and tell me about say, yo, and me alone. And any or me but my money a share for me alone. And I two of them for the money I have to share for them one another. Raga, you never know. See? Those people can't tell us on a lie when they get to you, so can tell us you want to lie.
All right, you're a papa, you're an arthritis. I'm going to contact twins and see what we can hear from them. Here?
Yeah, man, them boy, they are evil, Raga.
No, hold on, arthritis. We know you're upset about something. And thing, but me just want to hear what them have to say about it eventually, yeah?
Yeah, man, but I tell them two boys, they say that two evil.
All right, arthritis, let me try and contact them and see what them have to say about it, yeah?
All right, nothing bad people.
All right, cool. Let me see if I have a number here. Ruth. So me have two numbers, I have a twin and twin. See if I can get them for any one of them. Go give Emily, go give Ruth that number for me. Anyway, give me a call in the meantime. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Greetings. Even Ragashanti, how are you?
Yeah, man, I'm there, I know I wallet, you know.
No long way to get through and can't get through?
I see that now, you're in the business, you know. Drunk.
Mixup, I have a in-law lesbian mix-up for you.
With who?
In-law lesbian mix-up.
Oh, but me here, like you said, with you.
No, forgive you.
Oh, forgive me. Oh, Jesus, God. That's too many.
No,
but you see, me get word because you know, some he's a lesbian too, you know.
Come on, never ask you if you're a lesbian.
Anyway, send out the in-law lesbian mix-up, you know. Yeah, what go down here?
You have this girl, and here mix-up on the school, it just pink. Everybody knows here business. But because when she's straight, And when people are talking about go around and come around, she really take her. Everybody knows she.
Oh, she's a Tekisha.
Yeah, making you that. Sorry.
All right, yeah, man. So give with the mix up now.
Yeah. So something gonna happen with she and Fairman now, and them end up a stop talk. Nobody never know them coolerless. So one stupid big mix up and then stop talk. Then now this girl at the school now, Wallace, and she attract to her, start move to her, and I tell the she easy shit, you know. Come like she will take man, dog, woman, anything.
Okay. Well, she's generous. She's very generous. Yeah, go on.
But overall, she have a kind heart, but she just easy and a fool.
But she kind with everything then. Go on.
She can't say that. So she and the girl starts out now, and the girl, she just coming at the old lesbian thing. So she had a butch, and you see that girl where she end up with her to, she's her first girlfriend.
Okay.
So the other girl not really experiencing that old situation or nothing.
All right, but get to the mix up. Get to the mix up now.
Anyway, she and the girl start talking, and the girl wants her overall, and she have a play on like one big idiot. Then end up have this argument, and then talk back and sing. The girl who me I talk now, Tekisha.
Yeah.
Have a cousin.
Yeah.
Which is a boy.
Yeah.
Is a boy. So you have your woman, which is the butch now. The girl we talk to her school.
Yeah.
The butch now. She have to make she talk to her cousin. Send her text and thing like when the busy one day. So she like she say, "My text done. I can't go and text my cousin. I go to you. I'm a friend. I can't go and talk to him. We're close." So, yeah, she make the butch start text her cousin now until her cousin take away the butch from she.
Our cousin take with the butch from she.
The butch now, who is a virgin and never yet done nothing. The boy take she away from our cousin, who is the lesbian. Anyway, the boy and the girl now, the boy and the butch end up for follows.
Yeah.
The cousin, the same, the boy cousin.
Yeah.
Girl,
Yeah.
I go call and I say, why you do my friend like that, racist? I know son in love and all these things, racist. Even though you take away from me, I still love you, you're still my cousin, I still love her, I want to work things outside, racist. Tell me, say, if she not fool. Tell me, say, she not fool.
Yeah,
so
real fool.
I have to get one big deal because our cousin got do that to her and she still end up one alcohol now. Now the girl,
see that?
I rally back, hand the girl.
For real.
So the thing mix up. It does.
No, the thing, it mix up. The thing mix up. Me not lie, the thing really mix up. But don't vex. We want to talk to twin boy one little drama.
But we're gonna get to this. But one thing I should do, which my ex-girlfriend used to work at high school, the prominent high school where ex-girlfriend used to work, one long time back at the same high school there.
No, careful how you make people know my business. Eh? All right, now that's our word. Eh?
All right, bless up.
All right. Oh, Lord. Yeah, we have twin and twin. Yeah, all right.
What have I done?
What you say, my king?
But there, I know.
Well, I don't know if you just hear about one call. Usually when people call my show and so on, so mention, people phone blow up. You get any call? All right. Eh?
Let me get any call from you.
No, not from me, but from people who call and say, yo, somebody there on the radio say this and that.
Yeah, man, and people tell me so that little you, that little either.
All right. Well, him put forth
that thing. Call name one
usually we don't allow people to call about the name, but me, I make a judgment call and I say, yo, twin, them I'm a link and whatever, so blah, and him say, we have some differences and he make some points and I mean, it's kind of hard for me, knowing what I know about you, it is kind of hard for me grasp it. For example, him say, I tell him, say, enough they will not get a girl. I say, no, twin can't tell him, say, say enough they will not get a girl. I say,
what tell him that?
No, I say, that doesn't sound like...
First, I'm clear something. You cannot even spell Raga, you
know.
The person that call you cannot even spell Raga. You should have tell him spell Raga.
No, arthritis, yeah. So
the person, arthritis, cannot even spell Raga and cannot spell arthritis. The problem that this individual have with twins is this.
Yeah.
In my role in the thing, we see him at a point and say, yo, well, are we say get out to the world, you know, my dad?
Yeah.
I will see him say, I will say, boy, yeah, him have a talent and him have the potential.
Yeah.
Can great and anything can happen. Yeah. But the biggest thing we come to find out later down in life is that this person cannot read and write. This person
no, but so, no, hold on. So what wrong with that?
Yes, fam.
What wrong with that?
What?
No, but him can't read and write. But what me I say, what really?
Nothing wrong.
No, but what read?
Wrong. Listen, let me tell you, no, man.
Yeah.
This person can't read and write. And we say, all right, you know what, man, I saw you go. Because I don't hate a man that can't read and write, and the man ain't doing nothing about it.
Right.
And he must not been doing nothing about it for too long, and he's a man who don't like to tell him that.
Oh, okay.
You understand how we are dealing with that? One bag of look at Lula, you know how some people have certain head. You get to me, I say when certain people, because tell you what, how we do our thing, a lot of people don't really like see it, you know. You get me?
Yeah.
And feel head is him easily led, and he's a man with quick to judgment, quick to, him just to, right now I can't find a word.
Well, on the boss, we just take a quick break and we'll come back to you, because I'm saying they do some roofing phone and thing. Him say, we're going far. We could take a quick break and we'll forward with Twin Twin so far.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
I want to call and talk up the things Call and talk up the things
Yeah, man, welcome back up in the thing. And just before we go back to Twin of Twins, I look on some posts one and I kind of think, kind of misunderstand something what Twin of Twins just said. That they don't have a problem with the fact, they don't have a problem with anybody who cannot read or write. They were saying that their impression of the gentleman, arthritis, is that he cannot read and write, and he was failing to do something about it. And so, in other words, they were encouraging him to do something about it, and they thought that he wasn't doing anything about it in a timely manner, and so forth. So it's not that they have a problem with people who can't read and write. They were just making a kind of an extension of an argument, saying when you cannot read and write, sometimes it affects your ability to comprehend certain things and so forth. Back to Twin Twins.
Yeah, man, full force.
All right, and so what him say is that him say when him apply we don't know half pound, him make on know 2 pound and 3 pound, and in other words, I him a show on the world and thing. But him say him fix a roof phone and wanna give monkey money, and him say, yo, one time when I charge him $20,000 for must say 2 pants, 2 shirt, and something else or whatever. Like, but basically, him say he was giving us the impression that there is a steady diet of unfairness from you being delivered to him. So, you know, yeah, so you continue your response.
First thing I really want to say, this individual is embellishing.
Okay. Exaggerating, embellishing. Right.
He is fabricating this story because he has no other choice based upon where this is now. Because the only thing he want to do for slander is tell lie. And we do reiterate the word lie. I have no truth to tell. All we do for this individual is take him up as a person from the ghetto. We not judge him. We take him and have him how long. I call him on crazy show. Who knows Twin of Twins know that too. Crazy show, try to give the highlights, but he is holding back himself and he want to blame others to see him downfall and where he's not going in music.
Okay.
You understand?
But me MC show when we see you bring on arthritis.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Your MC show is to bring him out.
Right.
So that is trying to the fullest of your ability. Based upon his lack of understanding. Based upon the fact that he don't understand certain things, certain kind of way. You may go and show now, and contractual agreement with me and the promoter is that if me call up a certain man, he can't even get my balance. If me call up nobody, he don't understand that. He think every show set up the same.
Oh, okay.
You're fighting, man. You're bad mind now. What you bad mind for? You know what I mean?
Okay.
What am I bad mind for? You name out anything at all we have over me in life. Nothing. All we do is try to help you. And why you think me say friend thing? So them are your friend and them want your life end king. How you think? How you think cause them thing the friend thing? Not encourage people right about it, just careful. Careful who you bring amongst you. Listen to me, Raga. You see that's something there. We come tell us about roof and what me have ever received when me ever give this individual. This in paid in full. And the work not done. Go to the police since they don't get the pay. You know what I'm saying? Since they don't get the pay, go to the police now. Have a receipt. Go to the police, come have a receipt. Why you not going to the police? A bad mind, my dad. Yeah. And it culminated in something we shouldn't even go on. I'm there same way. I go and try my only way. But let me tell you something. Him is not. Let me tell you something, Dan. It is just a manifestation of the same deal where we face and conquer all our life. It is nothing but an obstacle where we beat. You understand me? I deal because we disappointed in him. We do only feel. We not do nothing to we. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
He not do nothing at all to we. We see him and I try to bring him to the road, but him a hold back himself, my dad. Him and one bag of people from boots him and I tell him this people against we because you know how envy work, rather. And everybody like you.
No, well, and real quickly because we wait name there. I will show
and
this.
Everybody like
no,
you,
but
everybody
no.
like me, and
but what may I say?
like me.
Be a span where you are say. Be a span where you are say.
Yeah.
You just kind of touch on it briefly, but what advice should I get to people? And like I said, this is your side, of course, in my theme side too, of the story or anything. You know, as a moderator, me have to kind of balance it up because he probably have some impressions.
Because violate well, in front fool out the road and I know if you do want to lie.
No, but based on what you just say, like, what are like the two main things, for example, people need to keep in consideration when they might take up somebody and say, you know, say that I just consider you my friend, I'm going to par with you. Because we are here to the music and thing. This whole friend thing is like it I get on a level where you don't even know who's a friend right now. Where you have it set up?
Me really tell people consider we are par with. Consider we have a take up. Because it can be an arduous journey based upon this person's outlook on life.
Right.
You understand me? I deal because tell you what, you know how much producer got through it, and so them now work with a young artist because of the same thing. You understand me? I deal what people know to enough twins for. Intelligence to the fullest.
Okay.
You understand? Every time we tell this man, I say, yo, school me done, and it's important, and just try to get certain things going and whatever. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Next time him call, give him a word to spell, man. Any word. Give him name to spell. You know what I'm saying? I will name him arthritis. I will write hungry, I kill me nasty, whatever for him. Me?
That's true.
Can't write a song.
True, okay.
So if me go in at that, if me go as far as write songs for you and see your potential and try to help you, and you turn for me like that, you're wicked. Yeah, wicked people need to watch us. Wicked, yeah. That's why some of the young artists are suffer too, you know.
All right.
You know why? Because some of them have some wicked outlook on some things, and them don't understand it.
All
they
right.
think music is something with this, you boss and the job and you can sing a one song.
All right, Papa. Boy, you are no.
If a person that you have money to buy a one car, you buy it and say you have him up.
No, would it just want...
Ignorance for the fullest. We can't deal with that, bro.
Yeah, man. Would it just want to make sure that the people them here phone side of the
the
thing?
people have to know that we have things to do certain things, man. I lie that individual, they have to compel. All right, now, we shouldn't even entertain team argument or whatever, but we still have to make people know Jamaica run. Them either side of them or run with it.
Cool,
so I just know what me have to say.
All right.
It's not but ignorance and bad mind envy to the fullest. Listen and talk, I don't know. I'm not a fool. You understand me? I deal with so many have nothing to do with the individual here.
All right then. When volume 10 will come on? When volume 10 will come on?
Volume 9, my daddy.
Volume 9. When that one
we love the Christmas season, because you see it. We just ease up the Christmas season.
Oh, okay.
You know what I say?
Yeah.
And we just say, all right, we're continuing, you know what I mean, like January or so.
And
you know what I mean? By the 12th to mid-January, so everything should be out and whatever. And I wait. You know what I mean?
Man, give us some ideas, some of the new characters, I mean.
Well, they don't know how it's going on. We even got characters, got stories. They don't know Bunty have anything going on out the road.
No, man, Bunty is a staple character. Yeah, man. No, man, if you make one of them without your Bunty, we can't tell night again, see? Yeah.
You don't know Bojo.
Bojo, yeah. Bojo a feel night because them drama are reaching.
Hold it more thing. I mean, I bring back a guest with people. Love like, wow, but I'm not going to tell them who.
Okay.
And the guests I got in there. But you don't tell you. I want piece of concept.
Well, on a do the thing already, probably, I don't know, the thing may kind of wrap up, but do me a beg on it. If I could have squeeze in the Bob, because Bob...
No, Bob, not let, come on, you know, Bob is a... Oh, Lord.
No, John, no, I tell you, the Bob always, you know. The Bob are the bars, because you don't have the Bob lock. You don't have the Bob, I am talking about who a king around here. I the king.
You see, you're the one Bob. Any other Bob is Bobby Shark. You know what I mean? You see. So you don't know how to tell my fans and people. So you know what I mean? I make some little people around them mouth. Because we used to people on them mouth, you know. So you go, you know, we've been against fight, you know. You know what I'm saying? And him just join the lot of them way. Not see things the way them should see. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
Yo, me need my going at some things, man. But me I make some money, so them that overcome and keep my covenant shall give them in another wicked say inheritance. And God says so.
All right.
Bad word is not bad word.
All right, Jungle, I know here. All right, maximum respect. Twinner twins and things. So I want to hear from arthritis. I want to hear from twinner twins and things. People, just one more call. Hello. Hello? Yes, hello, yeah.
Brother?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And me a call you. You know, say, I just talk about mother-in-law. I have one mother-in-law, she beat us so till. Christmas Day, after me send me good food in our yard. I have one baby father I live with. I him there 9 years. Then go get one pick me out the road. She pick me a 3-year-old or whatever. The mother-in-law, she pick me and the next girl down at our yard. Which is holiday we're going the last holiday Friday, Boxing Day.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sitting there go to the road, go treat and come back. Boy come in here and phone a ring. Girl I call him to come pick him up. Same time I come in back for half I treat. So I call him and I say, where you there? He say, oh, that tree. From I say, I'm not hear no music. Him lock up in my car. I say, can I hear that? I say, anyway, come here, go get something to eat. Fine?
Okay. All right. You have one. Well, you have 1 minute left, but just give me the mix-up quick. The mix-up part quick.
I nearly burn him up with cursing.
You nearly burn him up with cursing? Oh,
you mean?
Why? Cause him a burn you?
Him have me in a dirt for that girl. I kick off my door, but nearly burn him up. I'm too old.
So you're too.
I know a boy not have brave. I'm too old. I'll see him, Mama. I'll see Mama when you have my food Christmas Day. I'm sure I'm pies, because I know that she has my food.
So when you, in Mama and your food Christmas Day, I was shot to fight against you?
Yes, I send the oxtail, I'm a pork, I'm a mixed vegetable, I'm a salad and carrot.
Oxtail, pork, mixed vegetable and gungo peas and rice.
I'm a potato salad. I'm much money.
How must we forget the potato salad, man? 5 plates you send down there and she full up her belly and then...
vegetable, raw cabbage cut up with carrot.
Okay.
Potato salad.
Okay. And so she full her belly.
I'm a rice. 10-5. And this woman not chatting up. And my food and I encourage girls to come to our yard. I go in the garden yard. They live near to me. I'm in the garden yard.
So at the mama encourage him to sleep with girl and body. Yeah.
Because she has to tell him what say him a work and he must come cook. Then while I'm in the standing. Me and him live all he no cook no food in here again.
So what you do? Kick down the and choke?
Tell him take care of home for work, come cook. So and when you want country to mix put up on our house, I in car.
So what you do? You kick down the and choke cursing all upon him?
Me say, after she in here, you see? Here, we are do. Me say, you need to take me asleep? No, man, me not asleep. But him not sleep. Me say, look here, me not sleep and watch how you do me things.
Okay.
I do to sleep and watch.
So what you, but basically...
But not doing nothing. Because this man in run go shop go buy Ariel and things me washing clothes. Me? New year, new page, new law.
So you go buy Ariel soap today for washing clothes, but you not wash nothing?
Watch what? New year I come catch my bungle, dirty bungle in a bathroom because I not wash nothing.
Nah, wash nothing. Because I'm a bunny, you know.
I'm in fear. Anyway, man, I'm in your
Then tell me something. You know the girl where am I do the things with? You know the girl?
No, I don't know her.
Okay.
The woman know her because they want to know. Because they can't get me to wash their underwear for them. They can't get me to problem me out. And me feel still like that, so that's a them problem.
Okay. So when you want him attack, when you want him to just start attacking, never brief them time then?
No. Yeah, he not pick me not that all.
No brief?
Last year, I mean, what I pick me a 3-year-old.
No, ma'am, I said brief. You say you never have no brief when you and him start attack.
No, underpants.
Okay.
No, underpants. I'm going to like, first thing first, me and the mother get in a nothing because me dad them place and she married me.
Okay.
Because me cut off our brother because me have my bar and our brother come back and talk about his brother left up in business to woman. And me cut off his brother and make him know to Anna him brother money bar. And my money make my bar.
Anyway, don't make them dry out in a new year, yeah, man. And if you can still washing clothes with the Ariel, see what you can do here.
What? Where? Them better wash that. Them have machine. Them care anyway you want to carry and washing me. I'm done with them, man. And a brief picture. I run out now.
Okay.
So, you know, where am I put on tonight? I'm going to draw for a brief.
All right, you take care, yeah?
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
All right, baby. Bless you. Papa Jesus. Want to say happy birthday to Aretha from Southside, coming from Jerome. Arita Jerome, I big you up. Saying happy birthday to you. People, it's been an eventful year to say the least. One bag of sitting go down. I want to say thank you to her. I want to say big thank you to Ruth Levy, my producer, who has gone through thick and thin with me. Proper respect indeed. And enough respect to Chris Cross. Chris Cross, we have put on. But that's why I say a big thank you to them, you know. We're on the Mixup team, and I respect your talent. You're incredibly talented. And anything I can do for make you grow from strength to strength and make your career blossom till you can say, Raga, me a cut, you know, and think I need to go up on my own, you know, because I get tour data Italy and Israel and whatever, then fine. You understand? But I just want to say thanks to the eye. Proper respect indeed, okay?
Much more than some respect.
Michelle Patty Belly.
I can't stop right there.
Okay. I want to say thank you to you. I want to say big respect to you. Gonna hide the fact for you know, you never hide it from me. Say you love Patty and your guts a Patty. Okay, and thing and whatever. So enough respect, love your energy, love your vibe, love your enthusiasm. You bring an element to the show the people them appreciate and thing, and the majority of them love you. You'll always have some haters, just like I have some. But you know what the thing said. I want to say big up to the nationwide 90 FM family and thing for for welcoming me over here, and I'm having a good time over here. Well, I just want to say big respect, sincere respect to the majority of the people over at New Start 93 FM, because we were over there a good part of the year and we had some good times there. There's a couple people in management who I don't like, but the majority of the staff, I got along with them. So I just want to say enough respect to the New Start 93 FM team over there. Yes.
And we'd like to say, I'm sure I can speak on behalf of Jamaica and everybody listening. We just want to say big up to you, Ragashanti, because I mean, if it wasn't for your idea being played out, this show wouldn't have been on air and stuff like that. So I mean, we know enough time you got your bed and your head hurt and you go through the drama and the stress, but you still all the time, you bring the vibe every day and you come, you leave your problems at the door and you come in and you work. And we just want to say maximum respect for that, and we rate you.
We give thanks.
Happy New Year when it comes.
And we want to say enough respect to all the supporters out there.
Yeah.
All our Jamaican people who are listening Raga from, who are listening me from at 102 to New Start 93 FM to Nationwide 90 FM. I just want to say thanks to them. I want to say thanks to the foundation people. Our brother dead and gone named Little Doos, Miss Thelma, Miss Capleton, Pepsi and all them. Marie, anyway, the Marie Edgar, large up herself, Fortis, large up herself, Miss Ermin up there that Ocherius, Miss Thelman, all them people who set it for what they enjoy. Sister Peggy, big thanks to you. I want to say enough respect to all I know they are right, you know. I will it with we enjoy ourselves. We go through ups and downs, we cost one another sometime and thing, but at the end of the day, we are family same, we are take care of one another. Big up all the computer room people, them at the Freeport police station. Big up everybody out there. And think Petrona and Arlene and all, I know, large up on themselves. Big up all of my ghetto people them who stand up with me. Big up all of my uptown people them who stand up strong with me. And sit there. Thank you. I look forward to a wonderful 2011 coming up, where we're in the entertainment continues and we can laugh, learn and grow same way, knowing that a thick skin and broad back do it same way, knowing that a strength same way. Big up AC Wall, because the online presence start, we don't know. Large up on yourself, AC Wall. Large up on yourself, indeed. Proper thanks and thing. And big up Fan Wall. 88,000 strong over on the Ragashanti Fan Wall. 88,000 strong. And thing. Large up on yourself. On a set of madded, atted, crazy people on over there. Big up on yourself, indeed. And thank you. Chris Cross, play some music now. We could enjoy ourselves towards the end of the show.